Hello and welcome to another video on my channel. Today I will be showing you how to make your makeup in a really quick and fast way using only 3 products. So for today I will be using a lipstick, a mascara and a palette that has inside all the colors I will be needing to make my contour, my blush, even glow. With this palette, it's the Morphe palette 9D Painting Desert. In case you don't have any kind of this palette or you don't want to use it, you can make an alternative using a lipstick as your blush, eyeshadow if you want, or whatever. So, shall we begin? So, in these 3 products that I counted, I don't count my brushes. So, I will be taking this kind of brush that I apply my contouring, and I will go over to my palette and pick this brown color. I dab it in my hand so it won't go too much product on my face, and then I start. I forgot to say that I have already prepared my face before. I had put my moisturizer and sunscreen, really important to go out in the sun. Blend through the hair. Before I move to the blush, I will take my brush and I will contour my nose. This is totally optional. I know so many people don't want to do it if they don't have a full glam makeup. I will do it just because. Fast forward to that. Um, Now I will take my other blush and start applying my blush. I will take some red color for that. First on my hand and then going higher so it will lift the face. And blend. Now we move to the eyes. Since we have a full palette, you can use whatever color you want. I will just put a base. I will use this shade to just put it on my eye. And then I will take this brush. I will take the same brown that I used for my contouring and I will just wing my eye toward outside. After I wing it toward outside, I will start bringing that line inside. And to finish off the eyes, I will be using that product. It's the Colossal Go Extreme from Maybelline. Since you have mascara, you can use the trick I showed in a previous video. You can just take your brush, put it here and take the product and use it in an eyeliner if you don't want to go with brown or you want to make it more extreme. Ready. And last but not least, lips. So for the lips, I will show you a trick. You can just use the product and go, or you can make a liner using against your palette, or even put lipstick with the palette. I will take the brown and slightly I will overline my lips. Here I have a liner. And now I will take my lipstick and finish it off. And I'm ready. So this is today's makeup look. I hope you find it easy and I hope that you're going to follow it, and if you do so, let me know in the comments. See you in another video. Bye!